Hostinger coupon code. Here, I'm going to tell you the Hostinger coupon code through which you can get a lot of discount. So first, you need to click on the link given in the description. And then after that, you will land on this website, hostinger.com. Then you have to select the correct date. Then you need to choose which plan you want. You have to select the business plan. Here you'll get 3 months extra at a very fair price, and you also get to see a lot of offers. After this, you will land here on the payment page. So here you have to select for how long do you need the plan. For 24 months, for 12 months. I basically want to do it for 24 months because here it is a lot. And you can see that the price they are showing me is a 113 in. First, I will click on the coupon code. Then I will enter a coupon code here. After applying the coupon here, as soon as I click on apply, the price, which was 113, has been reduced, and the difference you saved remains with you. The price has become 101 Saita per kapaya. So if you want a discount, links have been given in the description. You can check out there.